Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Udemy account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Udemy application. At first, you need to get logged into your account. For that, you need to tap and sign in. Tap and sign in with email. Now you go in for providing your registered email address. Tap on next. Now go in for providing your password. Tap on sign in. At the home page of Udemy, you can see account section on bottom of right corner. Tap on it. Tap on account security under account settings. Scroll to the little down. Here you can see password under account section. To change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password. So go for it. Now provide a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Tap on change password. Your Udemy password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Udemy account password. Thank you.